Yo, y'all know who it is. Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service. Hey, I just want to put y'all up on game for 2025. 2025 is going to be different. A lot of rates are going to go up. A lot of us is going to make a lot more money, especially people with cargo vans and box trucks. People with personal vehicles, you're going to make a lot more money as well. I know all of us, we can't afford a commercial vehicle, a box truck or a cargo van, and there's no problem with that. It's okay. There's so many other options out there for you all. I just want you all to know that. You know, if you can't afford a cargo van or a box truck, fine, no problem. The same way I got started, you all can start the same way. I got started in my personal vehicle. Ain't nothing wrong with getting started in a personal vehicle. I know people with personal vehicles that has major contracts. A lot of them too. Most people that I see do really well in this business have multiple contracts. Yes, you can stack your contracts. You can have multiple, just depending on the time period that each contract needs to be completed. That's the key to having multiple contracts. Another reason why you want to have multiple contracts is because you're building multiple relationships with certain companies. I want you to look at it like this, right? If I only have one relationship with one company and I only got to depend on that one company, that's too much of a risk that I'm taking on a business that I done invested my money in. Me personally, I need to be building relationships with multiple companies. And it's not hard finding companies in your area. I did a class last night, right? I was showing people in the class step by step. I was sharing my screen, showing them how I know most people will be like, ain't nothing in my area. I can't find nothing in my area. I was pulling up areas that you all wouldn't even think is companies there. You can find any work there. You know, so just know, even if you got a personal vehicle, you can become a local carrier. If you got felonies, you can still become a local carrier, moving packages, moving paint, moving tires, moving auto parts. There's so many things you all can do. If you don't have no felony backgrounds, you can become a medical carrier. You know, long as you're 21 years old, long as your vehicle is not older than 10 years old. I want y'all to understand what I'm telling y'all. These are the qualifications that you all need. Start investing in yourself. Go and get your LLC and your EIN. Now, I done said this a zillion times at this point. Go get the Hippa and the bloodborne pathogen certification. Go and get your TWIC card if you don't have no felonies for the last 7 years. I'm going to leave all the links in the description at the bottom of the screen so you all can know exactly where to go and what to get. There's really no excuses. When a person doesn't make it in this business, it's one or two things. One, they may be being a little too picky on how they want to start up their business. One thing I personally know, if I start up a business and I invest the kind of money that I know it takes to start up a business and what it takes to have a successful business, number one, I'm going to put in the work. Number two, you can send me to Alaska, because that's going to be about $6,000, $7,000. I'll take that load. Let me get that. If you don't want it, give it to me. I want it because I'm that hungry. When you come from nothing, you're going to go get it. We ain't born rich. Majority of us is not born rich. So what are we being picky for? Go make the money. What are you waiting on? Stop complaining. Oh, I just want to stay in my city. Well, don't start a business then. Don't go invest thousands and thousands of dollars if you just want to stay in your city. Start with your car first. Minimize your overhead. If you're just going to stay in your city, start with your car. Start with your car, get a feel of it. See what's available for you. See what companies are in your area before you make the huge investment to go get a cargo van or a box truck. You know, unless you already got nice capital, you got a good credit score, okay, fine. Start with a cargo van, start a box truck. If you got bad credit, you need capital. You cannot go to no dealership with bad credit trying to get something with no money down. Y'all, we got to use this. A lot of us ain't using this. This is just common sense, y'all. You gotta have a budget. Tell me what business you can start with no money. Tell me, I'll wait. Tell me what business you can start with no money. A lot of this is common sense. You know, I have to have tough love with y'all because I love you, you feel me? So I gotta have tough love with you because I need you to understand what you're doing. When y'all see all these success stories, people been doing this for 1, 2, and 3 years, some people 6 months, and you see them making good money. You see them love what they're doing because they're building relationships with these companies. You know, you might be with a company and they might not be paying that good. You just started with them. Who knows, 2, 3 months from now, you done built a rapport. They love how you moving. They know they got to give you more money. If they don't give you no more money, then go to the next. It's cool. You ain't going to give me my work. I'm going to the next. There's thousands of companies out here. It's thousands, man. Just put the work in. That's the key to this business. Y'all got to learn how to put the work in. It's so many people. And when I talk to everybody that's in this industry, the number one thing everybody says, people lazy. Number one thing people say. I had people have cargo vans, personal vehicles. You can put 500 companies in front of their face. They might sign up for 2 of them. If they don't hear nothing back, they ready to get a whole business up. Man, I signed up for the company. What? Man, I done heard people be like, man, what do I do next? Man, I got the LLC EIN number. I got the business bank account. I got the Hippa. I got the bloodborne pathogen certification. What do you mean? What do you do next? How many more videos y'all need to see to ask someone what do they do next? You sure already know what to do next. If you know what to do next, leave it in the comment. If you got everything set up, ready to go, leave it in the comment. And if you don't know, I'm about to tell you. That's what you all need to do. Apply, apply, apply. If you don't hear nothing back in a week or 2, apply, call, email. Get the address. It's right online. Get the address. Pull up to the company. Present yourself. Have on a uniform. Be dressed properly. Have a business card. Like, what are we waiting on, man? You keep saying you want to make 6 figures a year, but are you willing to do what it takes to make 6 figures a year? And let alone, we ain't even going to discuss 7 figures. We're not even going to discuss that. Because I need you to put the work in first to get 6 figures. If you ain't ready to put the work in to even get 5 figures, how you gonna get 6 figures? So we ain't even gonna talk about 7 figures. We're not even gonna talk about that. I'm just keeping it so 100 with y'all right now, man. Like I'm not playing. This year I'm not playing. I'm pushing myself to the limit this year. I am not playing, man, like for real, I'm not. I ain't playing with y'all and I ain't playing with myself. You know what I'm saying? We got all these fake gurus out here want to tell y'all, oh, you can make $4,000 a week in your personal vehicle. Get my ebook. The fuck? Now, I know y'all got more common sense than that. I know y'all don't believe that lie. I know y'all got more common sense than that. So I'm going to believe. I know my people don't believe that shit when they hear it. I know you don't. I know my people don't believe that. You can do it in a cargo van if you've been in the business long enough. If you build up enough relationships, yeah, you can make that much money then. But if you ain't did that, how you gonna make that kind of money? You gotta put the work in, man. I want y'all to put the work in this year, man. If y'all need my help, you know how to find me. You know? But just make sure you got a budget to start up a successful cargo van or box truck business, even if you need a personal vehicle. I went and took like 3 of my courses and put them in one. 3 courses worth $500. I put them in one and say, you know what? I'm gonna throw it out there for $89. I wanna see who take initiative. All the resource lists, all the companies, step-by-step videos, the whole 9 yards. I'll leave it in the description. I'm going to leave it in the description. My mentorship program, we set everything up for you. Give you the world. You ain't got an LLC EIN number. We do it for free. We set up the whole DOT, MC, BOC3, UCR, BMC19. Man, everything, man. And give you a contract. And give you $1,000 off. And give you my personal phone number. That way you ain't got no excuse. It's people right now with my personal phone number don't even use it. How you don't use a multi-millionaire phone number when you got it in your phone and he been in this business in the industry for 6 years? How you don't use his number? Please help me understand this. Please help me understand this. Yo, we got to get it together this year, man. I'm going to be hard on y'all. I'm telling you now, I'm going to be hard on y'all. I'm going to be hard on you. That's right. I'm going to be hard on you. Yes, that nice guy, being friendly, you know what I mean? That don't work. Because you need to go and get it. It's too much money out here. It's too much money. It's too much. The first 2 weeks of this year, I cleared over 6 figures. The first 2 weeks. Come on, man. Come on, man. Like, what are we doing, man? And y'all don't even talk about money on here. I don't even do that. But I want you to understand what's available for you, man. It's a lot of opportunity. Those of you who's doing Uber, doing Lyft, that love to drive, man, hit me up, man. I'm gonna leave my number in here, and I want you to text mentorship at the bottom of the screen. I'm gonna leave my number, and I want you to text mentorship. But make sure you ready. Don't come over here playing. Do not come over here playing. I want action takers. I want people who ready to make a change in their life. I want people that's hungry. I want you to be more hungry than me. Even though I know that's hard to do, I want you to be more hungry than me, man. I love y'all. I got nothing but love for you. You feel me? But I want to see you be successful. And if I got to push you, if I got to go the extra mile to be on your, you know what I mean? And to make sure you do what you're supposed to do, then that's what I'm going to do. Because ain't no more excuses, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Share this video that need to hear what I'm telling them. Share this video that somebody who you know that they can be successful, but they need that push. They need someone to help them and push them and get there. Share this video, man. Like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put people up on Tony from Stick With Us Delivery, man. I got y'all. I told y'all I'm putting the culture on my back, man. I'm going to give y'all my all. You feel me? In this world, a man ain't got nothing but his word. If he ain't got his word, he ain't got nothing. So like I said, I always tell y'all, stick with us. We truly got you. You heard?